Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off Adobe Acrobat Updater. So firstly, you have to go to this PC. In Windows 10, you have to click on computer version, this one, computer, which is top left corner, and then click on manage. Click on manage. Now you'll find here task scheduler, this one, task scheduler. Click on this, double click on this, and you'll find here task scheduler library. Double click on this, and then you'll find on top Adobe Acrobat Update task. All you have to right click from the mouse, right click and choose disable. Okay, you're all done. So this is how you can disable Adobe Acrobat Updater. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.